welcome back to another vlog. This is my first vlog of the new year and I'm super excited because one of my goals is to take YouTube more serious, because you guys know I disappeared for the entire 2019. 2020 I kind of, I made a little comeback, but 2021 I want to upload way more. Like when I say way more, I mean like probably 2 videos a week or even more than 2 videos a week. Comment down below your goals for this year. I know a lot of people they don't like to share their goals because it's more of a personal thing, but that's fine. But if you have goals that you don't mind sharing, feel free to comment down below because I'm excited to hear. And I'm already starting the new year with a bad freaking wig. Like, you know how many times I've tried to tack the edges down and it just won't stick? Like, I don't understand. And this is the glue that I use, the freaking bowl holds, and it normally works. I don't know what's happening right now. Like, it's pissing me off. Hey guys, good morning. It's the day of my daughter's doctor's appointment, so I'm just making her bottle for right now and getting her other bottle ready for when she gets there, because she's gonna be grumpy today. Just want to make sure she has something that could suit her.
Funky. Madison, say hi. Are you looking to see what you weigh too? Yeah, you catching on a little weight, man.
Oh my God.
She's about to cry.
16 pounds.
Okay,
I
so.
bet she's in the 30s.
No, she's not.
She's 25.5.
Oh, she didn't grow that much.
Wait, she was 27 though.
No, she was 25.
You going outside in the light?
Madison, my dear here today and mess it up.
It was there yesterday.
Look at this little girl trying to take my drink. That nasty ass drink. I don't know why people love 1942. Oh, why this so soft? The ice cream. The other day I tried this in the ice cream and it was so good. I don't know why it's so soft. So I'm in Best Buy because I'm trying to buy a vlogging camera. Hopefully I find it. So they don't have the camera I want, but this is the thing I'm getting, but the latest version.
Okay, do you have a rewards card with us?
I don't think so.
No? Okay. So do you want to do store pickup or do you want to do...
Store pickup's fine. So I'd asked some people, that person back there, to gift me for Christmas, but he got me something different, so I just couldn't pick it up myself because I'm an independent ass bitch, yeah? Oh shit! Man and the damn car. It's raining outside, and basically I'm just going to Target because I gotta get some water for my daughter. I gotta pick up some water for her. So I came here for some baby water, but unfortunately they don't have none. So I waste my time coming here when I could have just went straight to CVS. Now I'm looking at sheets. Oh, look, Jermaine. They never have the size we want. Never, ever. This one. This one.
Oh, that's nice.
This one?
I like that color.
You sure?
Yeah, I like the color. Nice little peach.
That's peach or nude?
I like peach.
So you say like that one?
That's cool.
Alright, pick it up then. Starbucks. What do you want?
I got a drink right now.
Oh, you do? This is bomb as fuck. Between this and the mango dragon fruit, they're my fave. So why you leave it in the street? Huh? Oh, you bringing it? You like open the trunk. So I'm just here thinking about my vlogging camera, and I can't wait till Sunday to go pick it up because it's about to be lit like a fucking titty. And I'm planning to go on vacation sometime this year, March, April, maybe. And I'm super happy that I got that camera because now I can vlog on my vacations. Okay, we need to get these travel vlogs up and running. Also, if you're a mom watching this, I would really appreciate if you just comment down below how do you get your baby to sleep in their crib. Because my daughter is 5 months and I don't know what beef she have with the crib, but she hates that crib so much. I don't know what it is. I kind of think it's the mattress because our mattress on our bed is soft and hers is more firm. So I think that's what it is. But sometimes I spread a nice fluffy blanket on top and she just, I don't know, like I can't get her to sleep in the crib. Even just to nap, she hates the crib. Like if I put her down in the crib, 5 minutes she up. But once she's in my bed, sis will sleep for 6 to 8 hours. And I want her to sleep in her crib now because it's been 5 whole months. And my man haven't been sleeping in the bed with me because she done took it over. And I miss him. And as much as I love cuddling with her, I just miss my man. Like, I want to cut away him too. OMG, guys, I picked up my camera. I'm super excited. Like, this shit is so freaking tiny. And right now I'm just looking for a freaking SD card because unfortunately it doesn't come with one. So these are the ones they have. I don't know what size to get actually. Probably get a 64. I don't know. I don't see any 128. I finally made it home and I'm about to set up my new vlogging camera. And I also picked up some memory cards. I picked up 3. I honestly don't think this is going to be a lot of storage, especially for 4K footage. I really wanted to go to Target to get SD cards, but I was so excited. So I just picked these up just to, you know, give it a test run to see how the camera actually works. But I'm so excited, like I'm super excited. So I'm going to set up the camera and I'll see you guys in a second. This is a new camera. Let me know if you guys see the quality difference. And I'm just here eating my Sunday dinner. And in my plate, I have fish, oxtail, and rice and peas, of course, because you already know in a Jamaican household, what's a good Sunday dinner without rice and peas? So I'm going to end the video here because I honestly just wanted to check out what the quality is like. I don't know. I think I got so used to using my phone that I fell in love. I don't know. I guess this got to grow on me.
Run up on it, you know I'm on it.